Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Again, today we have something very special for you. This is a Saxdor. Build quality is fantastic on these. The futuristic look of these boats is fantastic. The layout is fantastic. Words can't really describe it. You have to actually come here and visually see this thing. It is amazing. It's basically a big jet ski with an outboard with a ton of space. It's going to be perfect for 3 people, as you can see, right? The jockey seat here. It is definitely going to be a very fast boat. I haven't had the chance to ride this one yet, but I can tell you it's going to be fast. If you notice here in the dash, this is a very modern look. It's beautifully laid out. I mean, everything is perfect, accessible, not too far, not too close. The windshield here is adjustable and can slide up for those rough days out there on the water. And check out the front deck here. It's giant. Huge front deck with a ton of storage. You can even fish from this thing for sure. Yeah, they're sweet. Please come out here and take a look at them. Again, my name is Justin at MarineMax in Clearwater. My phone number is 813-424-6084. Talk to you soon.